Good morning, everybody. So, today I will take a very mini lesson and I'll tell you how you can solve today's worksheet. Okay, so please listen carefully and pause the video wherever you want to. If you have a problem, listen to the video again when you solve the worksheet. Okay, this class will help students who also did not attend the class yesterday. All right. So if you have attended yesterday or today, listen to this mini lesson very carefully and solve the worksheet today. All right. Today there shall be 100% work completion and submission in the class. So I will share my screen. Please listen carefully. All right. So today's objective is we will be able to describe character traits. So number one, we will be describing, it is there in green. We will be describing character traits, first thing, and then second, we will give textual evidence to support. What does that mean? Means from the story, we will find out, from the text, we will find out that what is the character action जिसको देख के आप ये बता सकते हो कि कैरेक्टर ट्रेट इज हार्ड वर्किंग, कैरेक्टर ट्रेट इज केयरिंग, कैरेक्टर ट्रेट इज परसिवियरेंस, ग्रेट। स्टोरी देख के कैसे बता सकते हो? सो दैट इज टेक्सचुअल एविडेंस। ओके, नाउ लेट्स रिकलेक्ट yesterday's class. What is character trait? Which is there inside a person. Example: hardworking, dedicated, cheerful, friendly, punctual, uh, persevering. These are character traits. इंसान के अंदर जो होता है. And what is physical trait? Physical trait is outside, जो बाहर दिखता है. ठीक है? जैसे tall, short, medium length hair, long hair, small eyes, brown eyes, right? चार्मिंग स्माइल, ये बाहर से दिख रहा है, बाहर से दिख रहा है, तो दिस इज फिजिकल ट्रेट। लेकिन जो अंदर से है इंसान, दैट इज कैरेक्टर ट्रेट। ओके, so we will be finding out one character from this character trait from the story, and we will also give textual evidence। मतलब टेक्स्ट में कहाँ से कैसे पता चल रहा है कि द कैरेक्टर इज हार्ड वर्किंग, और द कैरेक्टर इज कंपैशनेट, और द कैरेक्टर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, हाउ यू from the text. ठीक है, so we will move ahead and we will go to the instruction. So number one is read the story. So instructions number one is read the story. So we will first read the story. ठीक है, the next slide I can see many word meanings. First column में it is written character trait and second column में it is written meanings. Now there is three character traits that are given. First is responsible, second is irresponsible, and third is compassionate. ठीक है, and their meanings are also given. Responsible means people who do hard work by themselves at home or school. Parents and teachers do not need to tell them. So these kind of people are responsible. People who show these action, they do the hard work by themselves and nobody has to tell them कि ये करो वो करो, काम submit करो, ये अपना work करो. Nobody has to tell them. So these people are responsible. What is irresponsible? उल्टा, people who do not do hard work by themselves. उनको हमेशा बोलना पड़ता है, अरे क्लास अटेंड करो, अरे अपना काम कंप्लीट करो, why haven't you done your work? मम्मी को बोलना पड़ता है, अरे keep your things clean, eat your food, do this work, do that work. Everybody has to tell them. Those persons are irresponsible. And compassionate, what is their character action? People who are caring and who love helping people. So these kinds of people are compassionate. तो character trait is written and उसका meaning भी लिखा है, character action भी लिखा है. मतलब the people who show these actions इनका ये कैरेक्टर ट्रेट है. Now, why have I given this? ऐसे ही दिखने के लिए? Never. No. Every slide is important. क्यों दिया है मैंने? Because you have to use only these character traits to write today's worksheet. You will not use other words. Caring, hardworking, helpful. These words are class 3, 4, 5th standard words. Now we are going to use different words. We are going to learn different words in class 7. So today we are going to use only these words. Responsible or irresponsible or compassionate. Okay. Now here's a little trick. Okay. Only 2 words from here you can use from the story. One word will not be used. You have to identify and understand इनमें से कौन सा word story का नहीं है. We can't use it. How will you identify? You have to read the story. For that, you have to just read the story and understand from the story, acha, I can use which word? Can I use responsible? Can I use irresponsible? Or can I use compassionate? Or kaun sa one word I can't use? Okay? So first, according to the instruction, we will read the story. Okay? So let's read the story. Now the story is divided into the beginning, the middle and the end. I have annotated only the beginning part and I will help you in only the beginning part. Middle and end, you have to do it in the same way. जैसे हम लोग beginning कर रहे हैं, I am explaining you the beginning. See, it's written B with brackets B. That is the beginning. B. Beginning. We will do it. One example. Same way, middle and end के लिए you have to do it. ठीक है? Describe character trait and give evidence. मतलब clue from the text. ये कैसे बोल सकते हो कि ये character trait? Let's do it one time and listen to the example. It will be very clear. All right? You can pause here and again listen to the instructions if you have any problem. If you don't, then let's continue. Okay? All right. So, this is the beginning of the text. Now, let's read. Rajesh and Ranjana love to help their parents. And देखो मैं कैसे read कर रही हूँ. In your home also you read loudly like this. धीरे धीरे. Take your time. Right? So, Rajesh and Ranjana love to help their parents. Samjha? These are the characters, Rajesh and Ranjana, and they love to help their parents. Rajesh helps his dad cut the grass in the garden. Okay. So Rajesh, he helps his dad cut the grass in the garden and to wash the car every morning. So Rajesh helps his dad in 2 ways. He washes the car every morning and he cuts the grass also. Right? Also, he likes to cycle to the shops too or the post office. So he loves to cycle to the shops and he also goes to the post office. Okay, so post office में why does Rajesh go? I think post office में क्या होता है? Letters रहते हैं. So that means he goes to the post office in a cycle to collect letters. So these ways में Rajesh helps his dad or his parents. He goes to collect letters from the post office क्योंकि दिया है he goes to the post office. तो इंसान क्या ही करने जाएगा post office में? And then he washes the car also and he cuts the grass. Excellent. अभी लिखा है कि रंजना फर्स्ट लाइन में रंजना also helps. So let's see how Ranjana helps. राजेश का तो we know. Ranjana enjoys helping her mom do the household work. So Ranjana helps her mother do the household work. She makes breakfast for all of them on Sundays to give mom a rest. So how does Ranjana help? She helps with the household chores and she makes breakfast for the entire family on Sunday so that her mother can take a rest. Okay, other days she does her work, but on Sunday, she gives her mom a rest by working. So these are the ways in which Rajesh and Ranjana help their parents. ठीक है? हुआ तो क्या है? Two characters, Rajesh and Ranjana, they help their parents. All right. How does Rajesh help? Cut the grass, washes the car, and he goes to the post office. Done. Ranjana, how does she help? She makes breakfast, does the cooking on Sundays so that her mother can take a rest. The beginning of the story is done. Right. Now let's stop here. If you want to listen to it again, just go back, rewind, and then again listen. Okay? We will move ahead. So let's go to the instruction. So, beginning of the story we have read. Now what do we have to do? Check the character in the table. Alright. So let's check the character in the table. Where is the table? नीचे जाते हैं. दीदी ने नहीं दिया है? नहीं दिया है. पूरा PDF देखना है पहले. Alright. इसके नीचे ही दिया है. Right. So what is the character? I can see there is written ऊपर में in the beginning. That means ये जो लिखा है ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है. क्यों लिखा है? Because this table का whatever we have to fill, character actions and character traits, we have to fill from the beginning of the story. So जो अभी पढ़ा हमने beginning of the story, from there we have to fill. ठीक है? तो अभी क्या पढ़ा? थोड़ा थोड़ा याद है and थोड़ा थोड़ा याद नहीं है. That's all right. While we fill this chart, we will again go back to the story and look from there. ठीक है? बार बार we will go back to the story and look from there. You have enough time to do that. So the character is given Rajesh and Ranjana. What is the character action? Rajesh and Ranjana love helping their parents. Ranjana enjoys helping her mom. Okay. So it is written Rajesh and Ranjana loves helping their parents and Ranjana enjoys helping her mom. Where is this taken from? This is taken from the where? Exactly. It is taken from the story. अभी जो हमने पढ़ा from the beginning of the story. See, if you see the first line. Rajesh and Ranjana help their parents, love helping their parents. And last me it is written Ranjana makes food breakfast for their family and she helps her mom doing the household chores. So it is already written. So this line, wait a minute, I'll just clear it once and show you again. Yes. So this character Rajesh and Ranjana from the story love helping their parents, taken from the beginning of the story. Ranjana enjoys helping her mom, taken from the beginning of the story. Last line. है ना? So, what does this tell you about their character trait? What are they from inside? Love helping people, love helping their mom, love helping their parents. What does this tell you? Caring, hardworking, correct. But we are not writing these words today. Why? Because we will write other words, different words. We will learn better words. Where are the words? I already shared. The words are here. You have to take words from here and write. So let's see. Rajesh and Ranjana का क्या था? Love helping their parents. Ranjana loved helping her mom. Rajesh also helped his dad. Right? So let's see from here. 1, 2, 3. Irresponsible people who don't do hard work. ये तो नहीं मैच कर रहा है. People who do hard work by themselves. Okay, Rajesh and Ranjana hard work करते थे. शायद हाँ Rajesh तो would do hard work. Ranjana also. But we will not write this. Let's see the other part. Compassionate. People who are caring, love helping people. ये ज्यादा better match हो रहा है अभी. क्या लिखा है? They love helping their parents. Help Ranjana helps her mom. So ये ज्यादा मैच हो रहा है. Who are caring, love helping people. So what is the character trait of such people? They are compassionate. They are compassionate. So what will we do? We will go see the here and write here as character trait compassionate. I'm not writing the entire word. Please look at the spelling properly and write. Okay? Love helping, enjoys helping, compassionate. So number one is done. Let's see the next one. Rajesh helps his dad cut grass, wash car every morning, comma, यहाँ पे also होगा goes to the post office. See work he's doing. So imagine he's a child, but he is cutting grass, which is a difficult work to do. Washing car, which is a difficult work to do. Helps goes to the post office, which is also another task. And nobody has to tell him, beta ye karo, beta ye karo, beta ye karo. Alone he is taking up all the responsibility घर का. Generally ये सब काम कौन करता है? घर के पापा करते हैं या मम्मी करते हैं, right? Either papa does that or mother does that. But Rajesh is doing all this hard work by himself. अभी तक तो स्टोरी में यही पता चला है ना, बाद में शायद चेंज हो जाए, आई डोंट नो, बट अभी तक तो स्टोरी का यही पता चला. So let's, what will the character trait be? Let's go back to the word meaning. Okay, I'll just clear it so that it's easier for you. Yeah. So let's see. This boy Rajesh does all the hard work by himself. So where can I see all the hard work by himself? यहाँ पे तो है people who don't do hard work. ये तो people who are caring. Let's see this. Who do hard work? यहाँ पे लिखा है who do hard work, and parents and teachers don't have to tell them ये करो ये करो. So that means the character trait is responsible. So what do? We go back and we write here in character trait responsible, and we look at the spelling properly and write. Okay, हो गया. This also done, this also done. Now Ranjana is left. अभी रंजना का क्या है? The character trait is given. यहाँ पे क्या था? The character actions are given. See, actions are given. आपको character trait निकालने के. यहाँ पे उल्टा है, उल्टा. Character trait is given. You have to find the textual evidence. Textual evidence you have to find. The character is described. You have to find the textual evidence. Textual evidence मतलब क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे? From the text, कौन सा line is telling us that Ranjana is responsible? Which line? That you have to find from the text. Got that? If you missed something, pause the video and again watch it. Okay? So let's go and find out कि character trait responsible क्या होता है? Responsible people are those who do the hard work by themselves. कहाँ से पता चला? ये जो table that we did right now, table में ही है. First में it's written who do the hard work by themselves. So let's see कि Ranjana does the hard work by herself. कहाँ पे? I'll clear this drawing. So see, Ranjana enjoys helping her mom do the household work. ठीक है, she enjoys helping. Enjoy helping ये हम छोड़ रहे हैं. ये compassionate हो सकता है because she helps her mother. So I'm not writing that. हम लोग को responsible के लिए ढूंढना है. So she makes breakfast for all of them on Sunday to give mom a rest. So on Sundays she alone makes breakfast for the entire family so that her mother can take rest. मतलब मम्मी उसको हेल्प नहीं करती है संडे को. She does it by herself. So what do you tell people who do things by themselves? Responsible. है ना? So that means I feel that this is the sentence that tells you that Ranjana is a responsible person because she's doing the breakfast, she's doing the hard work, she's making breakfast by herself. So what do we do now? We go back and that particular sentence from the story we write it here. She does the, I'm not writing it down here, you have to write it down. She makes the breakfast by herself and gives her mother some rest. हो गया. That only tells she is responsible. Done, done, done. और ये हमने कहाँ से किया? Beginning of the story. In the beginning of the story. Now what do you have to do? What do you have to do? पहला हो गया. You have to listen to this carefully how I have given the instruction. And you have to same way में, this is the middle of the story. This is the middle of the story. In exam paper, you have to annotate by yourself the beginning, the middle and end. So this is the middle of the story. Same way में, you have to read first the story और अपने दिमाग में एक बार सोचना है कि what is written here. It is a continuation. ठीक है, एक ही story है, उसका middle part है. And you have to go to the next slide. And what is written here in the middle? So middle portion से पढ़ के you have to fill this. Character is Ranjana, Rajesh. Character trait यहाँ पे दोनों का compassionate is given. So what you have to do? You have to find out the character action. From where? From the text. From the middle of the text. Character trait compassionate दिया है. And who is a compassionate person? Refer to the table. Who is loving, caring, helps people. So जहाँ पे Ranjana and Rajesh are caring, loving, helping people, helping their parents, those character actions you have to find from the middle of the story and write it down here. Alright. So this is the middle of the story. You have to read and find the character action. जो बोलता है कि Rajesh is compassionate, fill the table. जो बोलता है Ranjana is compassionate, fill the table. Alright. And then the same thing you have to do. This is the end of the story. You can see E is written. So this is the end of the story. You have to read and then you have to fill this. यहाँ पे थोड़ा different है. Not much, little. Character is Rajesh and Ranjana. No. Their father. So Rajesh and Ranjana's father. The characteristic trait I have written compassionate. From the end of the story, you have to find कौन सा कैरेक्टर एक्शन ऑफ देयर फादर राजेश एंड रंजना के पापा का कौन सा कैरेक्टर एक्शन है दैट टेल्स यू ही इज कंपैशनेट फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि उनके पापा क्या कर रहे हैं या क्या बोल रहे हैं जिससे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट हिज फादर इज अ वेरी कंपैशनेट पर्सन एंड यू हैव टू write it down here. And the last one is Rajesh and Ranjana's mother. इनका कैरेक्टर एक्शन भी नहीं दिया है, कैरेक्टर ट्रेट भी नहीं दिया. इसका मतलब क्या? आपको ये नहीं लिखना है, लिखना है. Both the character action and the character trait you have to find from the end of the story and write it down. Character action देखना है, you have to write it down, and that character action कौन सा trait बोलता है, that you have to write it down. And you will not use hardworking, caring, those words. You will use compassionate, responsible or irresponsible. But remember, एक word है जो आप use नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि that is nobody's character. That I have just given to see आपको समझ आया कि नहीं. So find it and write it down. ठीक है, जो भी है. Once it's done, you have described. Let's go back to the instruction part and see if you have done everything or not. clear drawing. You have read the story, check the character in the character table, write their character action from the beginning, middle or end of the story, and then write their character trait from the given chart, from the given table, that given chart. हो गया? ठीक है, तो क्या करना है, सबमिट कर देना. ठीक है, देखना नहीं है कि नीचे क्या है, कुछ और है कि नहीं. Is this how you have to do, or you will check again? Let's see इसके नीचे क्या है. What is written? Every slide is important. Only four more to win today. Refer to the story to answer correctly. So only 4 more. 4 और बाकी है, सिर्फ 4 और बाकी है. Very less. Let's go down. Now you have read the entire story, you know the entire story, so you can answer these questions from the story. In case you have forgotten, perfectly fine. Go back to the story और एक बार देख लो, ठीक है, so that you remember again. So which of these sentence brings best brings the main idea of the story? So out of these 4 options, which is the main idea of the story? Main idea story का क्या है? You have to tick one option. Is it option A, is it option B, or is it option C or D? What is the main idea of the story? Story आपको mainly क्या बोल रहा है? All right. Refer to the story once again. Okay. Second question is, why did Rajesh give his mango to his father? The question is, why did Rajesh give his mango to his father? तो बोल रहा है राजेश ने क्यों मैंगो अपने पापा को दिया. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? You have to read the story for that. शायद ये बिगिनिंग में है, मिडिल में है या एंड में है. पर बिगिनिंग में है नहीं है, बिकॉज बिगिनिंग में वी ऑलरेडी रेड द बिगिनिंग. आई एंड यू रेड इट टुगेदर, सो बिगिनिंग में नहीं है. So look for this answer either in the middle of the story or in the end of the story. That why did Rajesh क्यों दिया मैंगो अपने पापा को, and write it down. ठीक है, Rajesh gave the mango to his father because Rajesh gave the mango to his father because, like this you have to write down incomplete sentence. Next question, दो हो गया and सिर्फ दो बाकी है. Okay, very easy MCQ questions, do not take time. So what is written? Thank you, Rajesh, but mummy loves mangoes too. I am sure she will be pleased to have this mango because it is one of the first ripe ones. तो ये भी story से ही है. This sentence is also from the story. So you have to read the story. What नीचे यहाँ पे क्या है? Skip नहीं करना है. क्या है? What do these words? These words means these words. ये सारे words tell you. What do these words tell you about the character of the children's father? So what are they asking? Character of the children's father. Character of the children's father. तो directly लिख देना है caring, hardworking, ऐसा जो भी है नहीं. क्या पूछ रहा है कि ये sentence आपको क्या बता रहा है? What is this sentence telling you about the father's character trait? So read the sentence again. What is he saying? Read the story again. What is the story? क्या है और कहाँ पे पापा ये बोल रहे हैं? मम्मी को I am sure she will be pleased to have this mango. So something he is telling the Rajesh to give the mango to the mother, right? So what do these words tell you about the father's character traits? What kind of a person he is? If Rajesh is giving him the mango, but he is saying something, give the mango to your mother. So A, B, C or D option. यहाँ पे you have to tick the correct option. Okay. So I'll pause and I have given instructions for like 20 minutes. Please listen to it, the entire, how you have to do the classwork. Yesterday's revision also I have done. Today's worksheet, how you have to do the entire thing I have helped you. So please pause the video as many times as you want. Listen to it. Take your time and do the work very, very, very carefully. Okay? The class is extremely important and that is why I decided to record the class today. Yesterday's class was also very important. Okay? सो बट इट्स फाइन, जिन्होंने कल मिस किया है प्लीज लिसन टू टुडेज रिकॉर्डिंग। सेम चीज मैंने बता दिया है आज, एक्स्ट्रा भी बताया। सो लिसन टू इट एंड डू योर वर्क एंड प्लीज सबमिट इट। आई एम गिविंग यू a lot of time today. Submit it by 6 p.m. All right. Bye. All the best.